Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Xiaomi 12X. Yeah, whatever language you will have on your phone right now, with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in this tutorial video will be always the same. So don't be afraid, we can change language again in the language you want to have. Okay, first of all, just scroll down right next to the camera. Scroll down right next to the camera. And then we will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here. Always here, the settings. Just tap on the settings. So now you have to scroll down a bit to the point additional settings. In front of the additional settings, you will have a gray icon with 3 white points in it. Look for the gray icons with 3 white points. These are the additional settings. Tap on it. And now you will need the second point, languages and input. And now you will need the first point, languages. And now you will have the list with all the languages which one are available here on that phone. Just choose the language you want to have. Sometimes you will have also some dialects here, like in English. No? Let's take maybe now English with the dialect of India. Greetings, by the way. And then you have to confirm here on the blue button. Okay. And now your language has changed. In my case here in English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.